A very good morning to all of you. Myself Paras Agrawal, and today I want to discuss something with you regarding our online platform named as Sequence Classes. So, my dear students, our team or our platform aim is to spread education only with free of cost. Because of that, all the students are not able to pay that much fees that the coaching institute are asking for. So I and with my team, we have decided to spread the knowledge free of cost. So now we have just started for ninth class and 10th class, but soon we will be starting for 11th and 12th class. That may take 1 year, and that depends on your support and love. Clear? So my dear students, first of all, I want to say you are paying 1000 rupees per subject in a coaching, and you are not getting the things what for what purpose you are going to for what purpose you are going there, whether they are really responsible for the things that you are paying 1000 rupees to them per subject, and they are giving you the matter of 800 rupees, 700 rupees. This you have to judge. We are not going to judge, and we have no problem with any coaching institution and all. But the thing is that we are really concerned about each and every student and who are really in the need and not able to pay that much fees. So my dear students, our team have decided to spread the free knowledge. So my dear students, we are giving you the best. You will never feel that you are not going for the coaching. Even you people only will say now from after the lockdown, or now also some coachings are giving online. So you will only say, it is my promise, after 1 week you will only say that now in future no need to go for the tuition. Okay, now we are providing the surety. Okay, you will get the printed notes and study material. Now my dear students, for study materials that we are providing and for a platform better development, we are asking for a nominal charge. That nominal charge is 400 rupees for all the 5 subjects. Our team has all the teachers, all the subject teachers, physics, chemistry, maths different teacher, SST different teachers, and then biology different teacher. All the teachers have are the expert, or they have a perfect command on their subject that you all can check in the demonstration. Now if we are asking 400 rupees for the notes or study material or for the better development of the charge, in that you can imagine we are taking 80 rupees per subject. 80 रुपीज़ में आप लोग इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि आप मेरा कुछ डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है या किसी और टीचर का 80 रुपीज़ पर स्टूडेंट से डेवलपमेंट होगा? नहीं. बट दैट वी वांट टू इनहेंस अवर प्लेटफॉर्म, so furtherly we can also establish it for 11th and 12th class. The money that we are taking for that also we will give you a printed receipt that I am all the things, our timetable, our aim of the coaching is not only to earn the money. We are not going to earn the money, we are only spreading the education, so that these coachings that are taking a high charge, at least they can decrease or lower down their fees. We are for you, my dear children. Always we are there to help you out, and it's a humble request to all of you. I am not telling to join the coaching, I am telling to take the demonstration only, please. So numbers are given in the poster that I am sharing you. So please contact on that number. That is the number of one number is mine and another one is Sir Saurabh, who is only taking care of our platform. So my dear students, please all the students, please be ready for the demonstration. In 7 days demonstration, my dear students, you will feel that you did not study nothing, and we will also send you the previous notes whatever we have studied, and for that also revision classes are going on. So now it's time for, especially for the 10th class students, it's time to work hard. And really, my dear students, if you will work hard, we will give the best result in no amount, no fees. Fees doesn't matter, my dear students, only your interest depends. Your interest matters a lot. So always keep in your mind whether you want to waste your time or whether you want to gain something. If you really want to gain something, I am not telling you to join our institution. I am just telling you to take 7 days demonstration. Then after that you have to decide. So please, now you are that much capable. Take your life decision for your board, what you have to do, what is good for you. Decide that one. And it's a request, one more time, please take the demonstration of all the subject. At least 1 week you can take the demonstration. In that you will, what you will feel, that only you have to decide. Okay, thank you very much and have a meaningful day.